One of the biggest problems with using AI today is that AI generated content can easily be detected because it is the same AI models that are being used and overused again and again. What if you got access to an AI tool, in fact, an AI suite that gave you access to 100 different AI models, and you could create content using any of these models or combine them and create unique content that is not detectable as AI generated? If you want something like that, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to review AI MultiMinds. AI MultiMinds is a tool that doesn't just stick to ChatGPT. It gives you access to 100 different AI models and styles. And in this review, I'll show you how it works. I'll give you a quick look inside, and I'll also be talking about some of the features, the benefits, and if it is really for you. I'll also take you through their sales page and give you a quick demo to see if AI MultiMinds actually lives up to all of the promises that it makes. So let's get started. So AI MultiMinds is a multi-model AI app that combines the power of almost 100 plus advanced, diverse, and hidden AI models, or that is what the creator of this app says. And you get access to all of these AI models and the LLMs, and they use their proprietary secret 3C tech. I'll talk about that in a little while from now. They use this 3C tech to create unique content that is not detectable as AI generated. That is basically what AI MultiMind is all about. Now, what are the features of AI MultiMind? AI MultiMind is cloud-based, so there are no downloads required. You don't need to download anything or install it on your computer. And because it is cloud-based, it is fast and it is pretty swift in terms of the response that it gives you. They have something called as the proprietary 3C tech. The 3C stands for create, captivate, and connect. Now, what they're doing with this 3C tech is that they're redefining the way traditional AI is used, and it helps you create personalized content that resonates with your audience. And in my quick use of this tool, I found that it lives up to some of its expectation, though it is not as good as you would expect it to, but it still generates unique content in comparison to a lot of the other language models out there. Now, like what I said, AI MultiMinds gives you access to 100 plus AI models. It has text to image, image to video, quiz models, video models. So there are a ton of these models that you can use. You get access to unlimited campaigns, of course, in the pro version. In the basic version, there is some limits to it. You can create PDF, image, you can put an input and create a PDF or an image, and you can even edit PDFs in it. It has a built-in viral quiz builder, which is a very handy tool. The AI multi-marketer option, which is again an upgrade, it basically taps into Google, Yahoo, and Amazon for leads and helps you build your email list. Now, this is a game changer. You might want to check out AI Multi-Marketer. And it comes with done for you promos, CPA campaigns, and reseller access if you are upgrading for the reseller access. So, what are the benefits of using AI MultiMinds? Now, you'll be able to generate undetectable, unique AI content that sells in itself, that you can use for all of your content creation needs. It gives you access to these 100 different diverse AI models beyond only ChatGPT, which means that you have control of the kind of content that you want to generate. It creates high converting visuals, quizzes, and even sales copies all in one dashboard. You can in fact create a sales copy with one model and then recreate it with another model and compare it and decide what is it that you want to go with. It supports multilingual output, so you have a global reach with the content that you are generating. It helps you repurpose, tweak, and A/B test content pretty easily. It's effortless. It helps you boost your engagement and conversions across platforms with the kind of content it generates. And it also saves you hours of research and content generation time that you would otherwise be spending even if you're using some of the other traditional or conventional language models. So that is basically what AI MultiMinds is all about. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly walk you through their sales page and show you a quick demo, and then I'll come back to you and tell you who this is for and what I think about AI multi-model. The sales page for AI MultiMinds, You can see here that there is a $3 discount that is available right now if you want to go for it. And the headline itself says what exactly the tool is all about. It's world's first multi AI model app. It combines 100 plus best leading AI models and hidden AI models. 99% I have no idea about. This is what I was talking about. And they combine it with their 3C tech for unique, authentic marketing content. And you get access to some of the top and most powerful AI models like DeepSeek, Grok, Minimax, ChatGPT 4, Claude, DALL-E 3, Gemini, Llama. So all of these are available for one low price, one-time price. Otherwise, if you look at each of these tools, you might have to pay a monthly subscription to access these tools. But here, for a one-time price, you're getting access to all of these tools. So if you scroll further, you get to see what are the features, as in what are the things that come with this purchase. You get a commercial license that is included. And like what I said, it comes with all of these top and most powerful models. You can create all kind of content, graphics, video, whatever it is that you want, and it is perfect for all kind of businesses. If you scroll a little further, it shows you the 3 steps that are involved in generating this content. Very simple 3 steps. The dashboard itself is intuitive, very easy to use, no learning curve, so you'll be able to generate content pretty easily. So if you scroll further, you'll be able to see the different kind of models that are there in AI MultiMinds. Let me quickly show you. You can see here it is, the image to video models, Minimax, Wave Speed, Ali Lab, and text to video models. You have all of these: Gemini, Wave Speed, Luma, Lightrix, image generation models, all of these image generation models, the copywriting AI models, DeepSeek, NVIDIA, Grok, Llama. So pretty much all of these models are available in these 100 plus models that AI MultiMinds gives you access to. And their 3C tech that I spoke about generates unique content every time that you generate the content. So that is basically what AI MultiMind is all about. I'll quickly walk you through a demo of this software so that you get to see how and how useful it is, and if it is really something that you should go for.
AI MultiMinds comes with 3-in-1 content generator powered by 100 plus AI models right in one dashboard. Number 1, AI copywriter, so you can write all your marketing copies within a few seconds. 2, AI image generator. It helps you create mind-blowing AI images within a few seconds. And 3, AI video generator to help you create hyper-realistic videos within a few minutes. Let's start with AI copywriter. There are top AI models available to write all your marketing copies, such as Llama, Cloud, OpenAI, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek, NVIDIA, and many more. If you check the Choose AI model, you'll see all the AI models available, dedicated for copywriting purpose only. Let's start by creating a campaign for smoothie diet. First, select a template quick copy generation. We have ready to use templates such as advertising and sales, where you can write all kind of advertising copies like your Facebook ads, Google ads, TV ads, ad script, etc. And not just that, there are more categories like career and professional development, content creation and writing tools, creative content and entertainment, productivity and planning, proofreading and grammar, SEO, website content, social media marketing, and technical coding, etc. For demo purpose, let's select article generator. Now select AI model you want to use. Let's say Gemini 1.5 Pro. As per your needs, you can select creativity level. We have options from Econom Premium. Then set the length of the copy. By the way, you can create your content in 40 plus languages and expand your reach globally. Then set the tone for the emotionally intelligent copywriting. Set the number of output you want. Enter your prompt, and finally hit generate. And now wait for a few seconds and your article will be ready. Here's your powerful article written by Gemini 1.5 Pro. If you want to change anything in the output, you can simply go to tweak options like rewrite, improve, change emotion, and also convert the output into email, video script, or social media post, etc. As of now, let's convert it into video script for YouTube. Now just wait for 30 seconds. And here's your video script for YouTube ready to be used. You can see it has generated a detailed script with intro, narration, outro, intro, and all the necessary instructions to make an effective video. If you want to tweak it further, you simply follow the same process. Now let's generate one more article output with another AI model using the same prompt. For example, we select Grok Beta, the latest AI model by Platform X, and hit regenerate. Now wait for another few seconds, and here's your another article generated by a new AI model, Grok Beta, and you can compare the new output with the old one and decide which one you want to use. Also, if you want to further improve or compare, you can select any output, and based on that, further tweak or comparison happen. It's really simple way to get the best output for same prompt using multi-AI models. And you can always check all the content generated and tweaks done in this campaign in the history section. And now let's check out how the AI image generator works. Let's create the image of a tiger walking in jungle using Flux One Pro. I'm keeping the animate art style, cinematic lightning style. Set other parameters, enter prompt, hit generate, and your image is ready. Wow, look at that tiger. Now let's generate another image with same prompt, but different AI model. The new colorful tiger image is generated by DALL-E 3. You can compare and decide which one you prefer. Now let's check out how the AI video generator works. We have two options, text to video and image to video. Let's start with the text to video first. Okay, let's create a video of a future city where cars are flying. First, select the AI model. Here, I'm going with Minimax Video AI. Now, set the parameters like art style, lightning style. You can create videos for both mobile and desktop. Just select the right aspect ratio. You can also select the video quality and set the mood of the video. Then, enter your prompt, as many details possible, and hit generate. Now, the video generation will go through 6 stages shown here, and your video will be ready within a few minutes. Here's your video showing flying cars in a future city. How cars are really flying here. Now, if you want, you can generate another video with the same prompt, but different AI model. Let's try with Wave Speed 720 model. Now you see your second video is ready with another AI model. You can compare and decide which output you'd like to go with. Let's check the second video generated with Wave Speed. Wow, there's a good video. But I really liked the first video. You can repeat the process with other AI model. Now let's test the second option, image to video generator. Do you remember the AI image generated of a tiger walking in jungle? We are going to use that image and convert it into a video. First, select the AI model, then set all the parameters like art style, lightning style, mood, etc. as per your need. Then upload the image file from your device. Now enter your prompt that includes the instructions of expect movement and hit generate. And within a few minutes, your video will be ready. Let's check this out. Wow. Wow. This is the most amazing image to video conversion I have ever seen. Imagine the possibilities of creating high quality videos for your YouTube channel, Kids Tales videos, and monetizing. Really, sky is the limit. I hope you really liked this demo video.
Now that we've seen the demo for AI MultiMind, who is this for? If you're into any form of content generation, text, audio, video, it doesn't matter. AI MultiMind is something that can help you a lot. If you're a freelancer, you're creating content for your clients, then AI MultiMind can simplify your entire process of content generation. And it is not AI detectable, so the content that you're generating is going to be unique. If you're an affiliate marketer or an email marketer or even a YouTuber who wants to write scripts for their videos, then AI MultiMind can do the job for you. If you're a coach or a digital product seller who wants to create write-ups for their digital products, then AI MultiMind can help you. Anyone who's running a faceless content business, then AI MultiMind again is something that can help you. So overall, if you look at AI MultiMind, if you're a content creator, then this is something that you should absolutely go for. So what is my honest take about AI MultiMind? Now, I've used a lot of AI tools before. I've used Abacus AI, ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity. But what stood out for me here was the sheer variety of models and how you can truly personalize the output that you're getting from each of these models. In fact, there are some hidden models also in this 100+ AI models that AI MultiMind gives you, which you might not even be aware of. So it is worth checking those out. So it's great if you're creating a lot of marketing content, if you're testing copies, or if you want to build a faceless content business, then AI Multimind is something that you should go for. I would especially recommend the Pro upgrade because that gives you access to a lot more features. If you want to scale fast, then that is something that you should absolutely go for. So overall, if I look at AI Multiminds, it is a must have. And if you're a content creator, then I think you should go for it. So if you think AI Multimind is something that you want to go for and you're planning to buy it, you'll be able to find a link in the description box below. Go ahead and click that link and get your copy of AI Multiminds. That's an affiliate link. So if you buy from that link today, I'll earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. But there is a big benefit for you. I offer unique bonuses for anybody who is using my link to purchase their copy of AI Multiminds. Unlike a lot of the other bonuses that are offered, I don't offer any of the rehashed PLR products. Instead, I offer unique and custom bonuses that are valuable for you and that will help you in your content creation journey. So if you want to look at what are the bonuses that I offer, you'll be able to find a link in the description box below. Go ahead and check that link to see what are the bonuses and use the link to go ahead and buy your copy of AI Multiminds. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, then do give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments below. If you're new to this channel, then you might want to subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification to stay updated. I'll be back again with another interesting video. Until then, keep watching. This is goodbye from Dilip.